So we are currently at the front door, and it has nice recessed lighting. Oh, I love the lighting in this house, y'all. It is so bright. Right here leads to upstairs, but we're not going there yet. I slipped my shoes off right there. All right, y'all. So this right here is where your girl is about to be cooking some fire-ass meals, okay? White cabinets. I like it, but then also having a toddler, I'm gonna be scrubbing these for dear life, okay? I stopped by Dollar General earlier, and my boyfriend got me all of this little stuff. Well, me and him stopped by Dollar General, let's put it that way. So I'm going to be cleaning up here thoroughly before I actually fully move in. Panning over this way, we have a nice little pantry here. It's about the same size as my pantry now. So yeah, there you have it. And nice cabinet space. The cabinets go up really far. I don't think I'll have anything up there because obviously I can't reach that. Frigidaire appliances, and I just love these countertops, y'all. It is so bright in here. I'm filming this at night because earlier today I was kind of preoccupied, but yeah. So over here is your living space, and I'm gonna put my sectional going this way, TV going this way. And I'm trying to figure out if I wanna put my dining table over here or if I wanna put my dining table in here. I'm not totally sure yet. Out there, I do have like a little backyard, but I'm not about to go out there right now, y'all. It's dark, okay. Walking around here, this is the downstairs half bath. So, boom, boom, boom. There you have it. Here's your switch, and I love this, you all, because it has where you can turn the vent on and off. And then it has the time on here. So clutch. Toilet over here. Turn this off. And then here's another angle of the living room. Over here is a coat closet that I'll probably more than likely be putting like my extra broom or whatever in there. And here is my garage, and I love this garage because when I pulled up, y'all, the light turned on for me, okay? I don't know where the switch is for it though. Oh, it's over here. Oh, it's a garage. Y'all get the picture. It's not necessary for me to turn on the lights, but yeah, y'all, it's a 2-car garage. Okay, so I'm gonna go upstairs. Turn some of them lights off around here. All right, and I'm gonna turn this off because that door is completely see-through. I had to put some blinds up, y'all. Oops, that's the hallway light. Definitely gotta put some blinds up so that, oops, I can't put the room light off. Okay, need some light around here, okay? I gotta get some blinds or like a curtain to put right there, but I haven't did it yet. As y'all will see, I got a lot of stuff to buy. So this right here is like a small area. And I'm thinking about putting like, I don't know, maybe like a desk right here. I mean, not a desk, oh my gosh, like a little cute entryway table, maybe like a mirror. It's gonna be cute, y'all. Over this way, there is a linen closet right here. So yeah, super duper nice, spacious, a lot of shelves in there. And I love that I have a linen closet because at the place I live at now, I do not have a linen closet whatsoever. Here I have 2, so I love that. This will be my filming room. Nice and spacious. And sorry y'all, I am filming this when it's dark, so it's not the best of lighting, but you get the picture. This right here is my little closet that's in here, and I'll be using this to probably hang like my bottle girl uniforms or just extra clothes I have in general. So I close that. Right, Going on over, we have Royal's room, and both of these rooms have so much natural lighting during the day, but now they're kind of just like, not that bright. But this is gonna be my sweet girl's room. This over here is her closet, and it's basically the same size as the last closet. In our house that we have now, she has a walk-in closet, but honey, she don't need no walk-in closet. I don't even use all that space in there. And you know, toddlers, they're constantly growing out of their clothes, so you're always, you know, not needing that much space because you got to get rid of stuff constantly. And I'm gonna turn these lights off as I go because I'm gonna go back to the old place once I finish up this tour. You have a view of downstairs, and there you go. And then this right here is Royal's bathroom / the guest bathroom. So mirror, sink, the whole shebang. And then I also love that these bathrooms also have like the paper towel roll holders. Toilet. It's really just a basic bathroom. And then here's a tub, and I love like the little shelving on the sides. That's clutch, okay? Turn that light off. Right, in here is the laundry room, and this is a super big laundry room, very spacious, brand new washer and dryer. Yeah, y'all, this is like a closet. Damn, it could have been a closet. I don't really need all this space in the laundry room, but you know what? We're gonna make it do what it do, honey. We're gonna make it do what it do. All right. Right here is a thermostat for upstairs, and then there's another one downstairs, of course. And I absolutely love this home because it is a smart home. So everything in this house I can control from my phone. I love that, even though the thermostat is basically right by my room. But if I'm just being lazy and I do not want to get up, clutch. Okay. All right, this right here is my bedroom, and this bedroom is a big room, okay? The bedroom I have now is a little bit bigger, but I don't even utilize all that space, y'all. I'm not tripping. And then I traded out that extra space in that room for a tray ceiling, so you can't beat it. I'm gonna set this room up like, okay, TV's gonna go on this end, bed's gonna go up against the window, nightstand. I only did that because it's 2 outlets on this wall, whereas over here it's 2, but they're like awkwardly on these 2 sides, and then it's only 1 over here. So I just felt like my best bet was to put my bed up against that wall, and that way, you know, balance. Okay, so my boyfriend, whenever he's over, can have his outlet and I can have my outlet. Okay. All right, going into my new bathroom, and this is what I'm so hype about because the bathroom I have now is not that spacious. Okay, so we got a double sink, another paper towel roll holder. There's also one in the bathroom downstairs, and there is, I think, a towel holder right there, whatever you want to use it for, I guess. Huge mirror. Yeah, I am so in love, and it is so bright in here. But I also love, like, if you're in a certain kind of mood, honey, you can like turn that off and just have the shower light on. Like, oh, that's the vent thing. But yeah, y'all, it's so nice in here. I love it. And I do have a window in my bathroom. Yes, boo. The shower, spacious. Okay, this right here is the toilet, or as I like to call it, the shitter. Okay, it is, you know, ducked off in a cut by itself. Whoop-de-woo. And then over here, there is a linen closet. This one's even bigger than the one that's in the hallway. So I'm gonna fill this up with some nice stuff. And y'all, I'm really just admiring this because tomorrow when the movers come, this is about to be a mess, okay? Under here is just an extra cabinet space. Nothing major. And then over here, I got these hooks so I can use this to like hang my robe. This is also in the other bathroom too. I forgot to show y'all, but I'm a robe wearing mother ever, okay? So I'm gonna hang my robe, maybe a towel, but I normally wash my towels immediately after I use them. I don't hang them up and reuse them until after they're washed. This is my closet, okay? Super spacious. And yeah, that's kind of that on that, you guys. I absolutely love this place. I think I made a great choice because it was so many different places that I looked at, and this one was just the one that fit me the most and, you know, was somewhat reasonable. So yeah, y'all, I love it. I can't wait to get all moved in. And cheers to new beginnings, honey. Cheers to new beginnings.
Yeah. You stand on your own, you're so strong, yeah. Oh.